implicit association test is a psychological test that help you to measure in an implicit way about someone's attitude. For example, racial attitude, whether you implicitly prefer white or black people, something like that. The advantage of being more objective, because if you ask somebody to fill out a questionnaire about your own attitude, it might be subject to some sort of bias. But using this test basically is more objective. This is a classic version of IAT, and in an IAT you will see some pictures such as the face of a white person or the face of a black person, and then you will also see some word here such as some good wording or bad wording. And in your task, you have to indicate whether the picture you see is a white or black person. And then when you see the word, you have to indicate by pressing button whether that wording is a bad or good word. And then in this task, it will be at least divided into two parts. So in the first part, you can see that if the picture is a black person and the wording is a bad word, then you have to press maybe the left arrow. But in the second part, you will see the same picture and the same word, but then this time the choice is reversed, because this time bad is paired with white person. So in this way, after you conduct the experiment, you can analyze whether there is any difference in the reaction time between these two experiments. For example, if your response time to black plus bad is faster, then it's more likely you have an implicit attitude that black person is worse. And so this is how the test is done. In the real scenario, I mean this experiment, it will be much longer because you will have to familiarize yourself with those keys, right? That will take much more trials. But of course in this practice, yeah, just want to give it a try.